Hello, darling. Hey, babe, what's up? How you doing? I'm so sorry, please. I'm already on my way. The thing is, I actually got an emergency call, but that's by the way. I'm on my way right now. Oh, okay, please. Just give me some time. I will join you. All right.
Too much enemies. Too much enemies.
Is this not the lady from the other days? Oh, I think her car broke down. This might be an opportunity to get too close to her.
My friend, pretend to be my friend while you stress me out the back. Too many lies, too many signs. Trying to force myself to sleep while you got me shut deep.
I mean, come to think of that, how could your car possibly break down in the middle of the road under the scorching sun? Look at you, a beautiful woman at that man. Oh, my goodness.
Mr. Man, did I tell you I'm stranded?
What? Nothing more. I just want to help you fix your car.
I'm sorry, I don't need your help. Thank you.
You said what?
I do not need your help. You can leave.
You're not paying me for my services. I just want to help you fix your car.
Like I care. I do not need your services or your help. Thank you so much. Please leave.
Well, from the way you're sounding, it's obvious you're one of those arrogant and proud type. It's okay.
Leave, thank you. Where are you? Please, my car just broke down, okay?
Oh, I'm so sorry.
What kept you? You took long.
I was listening to the cow down the road there. I'm so sorry. Let me check the car.
All right.
I think it's the battery. The battery is down. And the alternator is not, it doesn't seem to be working.
Just do so I can leave this place. It's something you can fix now, yeah?
Sure.
Fine.
Nobody can take this and lie away. Whoa. What has she done? What is her crime? Nobody deserves this. Nobody deserves this.
Mama, what are you doing? What are you doing?
I want to prepare special ofunuwa olakasi for my son.
Wait, Mama. You want to prepare onubu soup for your son when I am here in my kitchen? I don't get it.
Do you know how to cook? Mama, I want to know. Because I'm sure you don't know how to prepare our Igbo delicacy. All you know how to do is fry this, fry that. Because our Igbo delicacy is highly medicinal. If you know how to cook those things, you should be pregnant by now. It's right, Mama. Mama, because Mama, look at the bitter leaf you told me to go and bring. What about the other ingredients? Everything inside. I even got the pounded yam. And the cream.
Mama, please, I don't really understand what is happening here, right? Now, my husband, Harold, asked me to prepare vegetable soup for him, which happens to be his favorite, and that's what he's having for dinner. Help me understand, please.
Okay. I am making onubu soup for my son, because I know you don't know how to make such things.
Mama, please. Please, I beg you in the name of God, I do not want to have any problem with you. Because the problem you came with the last time, we are even yet to settle it. What is all this now, eh?
Which troubles are you talking about? Which of the problems? Now enlighten me. Okay, Chefun? You have not seen anything yet. Barren rich.
With tears in her eyes, pain in her heart, she never bears no grudge. She's ready to love whenever, however.
Hello, engineer. Good afternoon. Where are you?
Hey, Ogarod. I traveled though.
What do you mean you traveled? What's that supposed to mean? Are you not supposed to be at the site?
I got an emergency from the village, so I had to leave this morning to see my sick mom, who is actually on admission at the hospital.
Oh. Okay, I'm so sorry to hear about that. How is she though?
Well, she's responding to treatment.
Okay. I'll just head to the site so I can see what you guys have been doing so far.
My work is going on smoothly. Well, you don't have anything to be worried about.
Alright.
We are now in the lintel level.
Lintel level? That's very impressive. That's really good. That means we're almost done.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. When I get to the site, I will transfer 100,000 naira to you. I just hope it's enough for your mother's hospital bills.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. I sincerely do appreciate, sir.
No, that's fine. That's fine. Let me get to when I get to the site, I'll call you, okay?
Thank you.
Please take care of your mom, alright?
I will, sir.
Alright,
Thank you, sir.
yeah.
Nobody deserves this. Nobody deserves this. Nobody deserves to be treated this way. Nobody can take this. Nobody can take this. Nobody can take this and lie away.
How to Lucio, Kanjuwani, are you going to give my son children in his hundreds?
You don't mind her. All she does is fashion. Fashion, fashion, fashion. Nothing else.
Do you want to finish my son's money? Is that your plan?
Mama, please. Just allow me some peace. Allow me to prepare dinner for my lovely husband. I beg you. Please, Biko. Huh?
Leave you alone. Look at you. You want to cook for your husband. Yet, no scarf. Nothing. You didn't even cover your hair. See, I am Mama. Hair covered, ready to cook. And you want to cook for your husband. Nonsense. Mama, don't mind her. Her childlessness does not bother her. That's why.
You keep forgetting something. This is mine. This is my house. So stop insulting me, Amanda. Stop it!
Which house? This house you'll soon leave is your house. You think this is your house? I'm sorry to disappoint you. It is not your house.
Rephrase it. My son's house.
Yes. Mama, don't mind her. All she does is just flex around. Nothing else. Mama, tell her about the prophets. Mama, don't tell me anything. Tell her about the prophet. What the prophet said. Yes, prophet.
Hold on, wait, Mama, you've been taking my name to those cheap prophets of yours? Come on, Mama, you know my baby doesn't like these things.
From the soles of her feet to the top of her head, she is the epitome of beauty and grace. With tears in her eyes, pain in her heart. She never bears no grudge. She's ready to love whenever, however, wherever it takes. She's ready to
Hello, babe. How are you? Why are you sounding this way? Have you had something to eat or you're still in bed? You're trying to make dinner. I thought I told you to have some rest. That's what I told you before I left. Anyway, that's okay. Guess where I am now? Yes, I'm at the site. You guessed correctly. And I am so impressed with what these guys are doing here. You won't believe that they have gone past the lintel level. Yes! I mean, do you know how much of your money is in this project? Sweetheart, thank you so much for being very supportive. No, don't say that. Don't say you put it in my name. Say you put it in our name. It's our project, okay? It's for both of us. But sincerely, I honestly do not know what I would have done without you. You have been a very supportive woman. I swear my world revolves around you, babe. Look, you don't need to blush at all. I am just telling you the truth. Sincerely. I love you very much. Alright, sweetheart. Let me leave you. I'll talk to you later, okay? I love you.
'Cause she's got a good heart. She never bears no grudge. She's ready to love whenever, however, wherever it takes. She's ready to help.
Chokolo, is it my angels or you're calling baby?
Mama, he is my husband. Whatever I choose to call him is nobody's business. He is my baby.
He is my son before he became your husband, and I named him. I named him Echezone Harold. Okay.
What did the prophet say? Tell me.
My prophet said that you are from marine world. You have a husband in the water whom you have had 7 children with. And he's been the one preventing you from getting pregnant. He doesn't want you to marry. He said that your spiritual husband is a jealous type, that he might end up killing my son.
Oh, wait, Mama. You said spiritual husband. I don't understand this. What does that even mean? Huh?
Pretend.
Amanda, do not push me. Do not push me. One more word from you and I will mess you.
Mess me up.
Excuse me. This is my house. This is my house and I built it from ground. Dare move your mouth one more time to insult me and I will get my get back to beat you merciless. Mama, I am not into this little girl. Ask your house help. Mama, you were saying something. You said you're spiritual.
Godfather
said what exactly? What did he say? That I am possessed, right? So tell me, please, where is this your spiritual husband? Your spiritual prophet. Where exactly is this ministry? Because I definitely need deliverance so that I can give you 100 grandchildren. Where is your prophet?
You need it.
So where is he?
You need deliverance.
Please.
Hey,
Leave me alone. I want to cook for my husband. Please, if you don't mind. Please just get out of my kitchen. As barren woman that you are, we should get her. Woo! Barren woman!
Whoa.
Hey, this is
What has she done?
We have to be fast. Yes. So that she
What is her crime? Nobody deserves this. Nobody deserves this. Nobody deserves to be treated this way. Nobody can take this. Nobody can take this.
Mama Harold, I don't blame you. I don't blame you and that your useless daughter. You come into my house, a house I built with my own sweat, and then you talk to me about being childless. Am I the first childless woman? Am I God? Are you my God? You come here to cook for my husband in my kitchen. And then you want to cook for him with this dirty thing that stupid native daughter of yours gave you. No, come and cook for him. Not when in my life, not in my home.
Wherever, however, whomever you are.
Oh dear. Hey! No! Hey! Mama, don't forget to put the ogiri when Ngozi gives to you. I will do that. I've done that though. Okay. How can I not? Hey, you know some people cook without spices. Hey, my brother. I'm sure you will enjoy this meal. He will lick his fingers. Hey! Oh, the way my brother will enjoy this meal. I'm not sure that his Barry woman has ever prepared such meal for him. That woman. Mama, can you compare firewood meal, well-prepared firewood meal, to gas cooker? Mama, you cannot compare. The difference is very clear. Amanda, make sure you wash this pot in and out after cooking. I don't want Lucia's problem. Here. Mama, you're afraid of Lucy already. She will not do anything. If she likes, let her go and call that her useless friend to come and fight for that her police. Mama, you see this pot? Amanda, I will not wash it. You will wash it though? I will not wash this because you are the one that suggested we make this food with firewood. Hey, but she's the one that chased us out of her kitchen. She has small stove, but you insisted on making with firewood. So you have to wash it. In fact, don't wash it and say what she will do. Mama, she will not do anything. Is it because I'm keeping quiet for her? Oh, no. If she will not do anything. If she likes, anyhow she behave, I will call boys and repeat her. I will not cook this. Bitty. I will not wash it. When she chased you out of the kitchen, what did you do? When she threatened you? Okay, but Mama. Eh? Is it because I'm keeping quiet? It's my brother's house. You are just ranting. It's because it's my brother's house. If not, I would run another person. Let's pound it again and this thing. Mama, super.
From the soles of her feet to the top of her head, she is the epitome of beauty and grace. With tears in her eyes, pain in her heart, she never bears no grudge. She's ready to love whenever, however, wherever it takes. She's ready to help her. Wherever, however, whomever you are, she will never, ever, ever disappoint.
Babe?
'Cause she's got a good
Babe, I'm back home.
heart. Nobody deserves
Love of my life.
this. Nobody deserves this. Nobody deserves to be treated this way. No, she don't deserve this. No, she don't deserve this. No, she don't deserve to be treated this way. Yeah. She deserves better.
Baby? Is everything okay?
No,
You okay?
my head hurts.
You hurt? When I called you, you said you were feeling much better. What happened?
Yeah, I slept for some hours and I felt better.
Okay.
Until your mother and sister came.
Oh. Why am I not surprised? I thought as much. But I hope they did not touch you because I would do something really drastic now.
Nobody touched me, but they heaped loads of insults on me. Enough to last me for a lifetime. Baby?
Yes, my love.
Do you know your mother now visits a native doctor that told her I have a spiritual husband with whom I have 7 children?
Babe, are you sure about this?
Come on, babe. You know me. I don't say things I am not sure of. But when I tried asking her, she claimed that it was a prophet. I knew something was off. So I demanded to know the name of this prophet and where his ministry is situated. She couldn't say anything. Just hope we're safe.
You are, she would never,
supposed to know me now.
ever disappoint.
If she likes, let her talk from now till eternity. We all know that she is barren and cannot give my son children. And Adaeze,
I never liked that one. One day. Hey!
all I am saying is that she should go back to her father's house so that we can get a girl of about 18 years that has not done anything. Eh?
Mama.
I want my son to have children.
18 years kwa.
Uh-huh.
What does an 18-year-old girl know how to do?
A lot.
A lot?
Yes, a lot. I married at the age of 16 years. Ask around the village.
So you want your son to get married to a girl of 18 years?
Yes.
Mama.
It is called catch them young.
Hey.
By that time, they have not done anything. They have not committed all manner of atrocities, including abortion, which will spell doom on them in the future. Imaronko method you went on like this.
I know you're indirectly talking to me. One day, you will tell me, go and get married. The way you're telling me to, don't worry.
Once you get married,
Mama, I'll get married.
I'm working on Choka and Onofia.
Mama, don't start.
No, I'm telling you in honesty.
I'll get married.
You're old enough to... Mama, see, you are old enough to finish bearing children. Meeting.
So I entered the kitchen to make your dinner. Vegetable soup, your favorite. The next thing, Mama and your sister bashed in on me.
To do what exactly?
Baby, calm down. Let me give you a gist now. I was standing very close to the sink to get water, and Mama came and pushed me aside.
Mama!
Pushed me, that she wants to cook for her son. That she wanted to cook with the cocoyam powder she came with from the village. I refused. I said it's not going to happen. That I wanted to cook for my husband. Because I knew that substance is the same thing she got from her native doctor, Abi Prophet, whatever it is. I said it's not going to happen. I bluntly refused.
Very good. This is why I married you. These people don't understand why I married you. You are not just beautiful. You are beauty with brains. They don't understand. Famaho. My darling, let me let you understand something. I will not take any other woman as a wife. It is 2 of us till the end of time. I'm serious about it. Whether you have a baby for me or you don't have a baby for me, I am with you for better, for worse. Okay? What is it? Not again. Don't do this. Stop it.
I am scared.
Scared of what exactly?
That she may one day change your mind and give in to the aggression. The pressure is too much.
I will rather die than give in to the pressure. Nobody will make me change my mind towards you. Not even my desperate mother. Don't cry, my baby. Huh? Don't cry. Okay? We're in this together, and I love you.
And you will not die. I love you so much.
It's okay. Come. It's okay. Don't cry again. It's okay. No matter what happens, we will be together forever.
Okay.
We're in this together, okay?
Baby. Let me go downstairs and fix the dining for dinner.
Okay.
Sure you're exhausted?
I am very exhausted and I'm famished. I would have a shower and join you soon at the table.
Okay.
Don't cry again. And if Mama or my sister say anything to annoy you, Just ignore them. Okay? Alright, my love.
Alright, baby.
Take care, alright?
Okay.
You are, she will never, ever, ever disappoint. 'Cause she's got a good heart. Nobody deserves this. Nobody.
Who set the dining?
Mama Ahmed. This woman just keeps looking for my trouble. Yeah. How can she just keeps looking for my trouble all the time.
What's this for? Huh? What impetus? What right do you have to do this nonsense? I set the table for my son to eat the onubu soup I personally prepared for him with pounded cocoyam. And you brought your own concoction you call vegetable soup. Pushed mine aside. And you are setting this nonsense. No,
Mama, my husband did not beg you to make onubu soup for him.
Really?
My husband is having vegetable soup and pounded yam. Mama, in case you don't know, we have timetable itinerary in this house on how we feed.
Grandma. Oh, you have timetables. Timetable on how to make food. And eat in the dining table. But you don't have timetable on how to make babies. You only exhibit your timetable sheep in the dining. I don't blame you. Now listen. My son is going to eat the onubu soup I prepared for him with pounded cocoyam. Take it or leave it.
Mama, stop it. Mama, you are looking for my... Mama, did you come all the way from the village to my house to give me problem? What is my house, Mama? Please.
Which house? Hey! Which house? House! The last time I filled, this is my son's house. In Efuzo.
Mama, stop it. Mama, stop. Mama, stop. You wait. Don't touch me.
I'm under ₦1 She can't even bear one. Not even half. God bless their children. The onubu soup we prepared and the pounded cocoyam for your brother. I set the table. She came, pushed my food aside.
Hey!
An abomination.
Abomination, one.
Said the nonsense concoction she made, call him vegetables. And she's here trying to lecture me on timetables. Hey! Yeah, multiplication.
Hey!
Oh.
Mama.
Can you receive the onubu?
Oh, this is very
fair.
Oh, it's about there.
Please, tell her to not dare me.
Don't you dare! If you're out there, you think I will kill you to what? Look at you! Barry woman!
Let you come into my house.
Share!
Come to the food I set for my husband on my dining.
Which food?
In my house.
Which food? Who the hell?
So why you were ready to that? You dare do that next
What
time?
can they do? If you try to do something again, if you try it!
Mama, you are looking for my trouble. Mama, you are looking for my trouble.
Look at you! Barry woman!
Let you come into my house. Come to the food I set for my husband on my dining.
Which food?
In my house.
Which food? Who the hell?
So why you were ready to that? You dare do that next
What
time?
can they do? If you try to do something again, if you try it!
Mama, you are looking for my trouble. Mama, you are looking for my trouble.
Ask me, Mama, again. Why has this woman decided that she will be a thorn in my wife's flesh? Can't Lucia just have peace in her matrimonial home.
To be wary of tall girls. I told him the first day he brought you for us to see to be wary of lanky girls. Osima awani dem again. If you get that, ozo wacha. Don't worry. Since you want to give it to us the way you want, we will give it to her.
You are wasting your time.
You are the one wasting your time. Thank God, brother.
Mama, do you know? Mama, I was hearing your voice. Upstairs, I was hearing your voice. What kind of problem is this now? Why are you crying, Mama? What happened?
Hey! Before me, your wife, Lucia, slapped your sister in her own brother's house.
Yes, brother.
Where is it done? Ebeka Nemia. Ebeka. Hey. Oh. Emilio.
Did you slap Amanda?
Oh yes, I slapped her. I slapped her so well and I will do it again if she repeats what she just did today. I will have to reset that stupid brain of yours. Oh, no. Can you imagine? Look, I have had enough. I have had enough. What is this now?
Just calm down. Amanda.
Brother.
What did you do to her that made her slap you?
Brother, I did not do anything to her. Ask Mama. Mama, is there anything? Did I do anything to this barren woman?
Are you mad? Why do you stop my wife? You love her? You love her? You apologize to her. Apologize to her.
For what? What is she apologizing for in particular? For what? All of us knows that Lucia is a barren woman. It is no longer news. What? Can you bear children? Are you not barren? She is. Canadian English. Barren woman. What is this? Even me,
Mama, even you. I remember telling you not to come to this house. You came back with your program.
Who are they knocking for my gate like that? Are they great? I want to call them for me. Who are they? Are they calling me Oyawusa, Oyawusa?
Abu? Oh!
Welcome, man.
I
don't know, say now me they call me they not come for my gate like that.
I not come for your gate. Good
morning, ma.
Is my son and the wife around?
No, ma. Oga are they inside my house, ma.
Yeah,
inside my house.
Your house, my house.
Mama, Oga, mama. Every day I go they call me Unyausa, Unyausa.
Hey, how are you, my son? Ekene.
Mama?
Huh?
The baby kissing.
What do you mean? Everyone is kissing.
Did you come to tell me you were coming? Did you call my wife or something? You can't just barge in here just like that. You did not inform me that you were coming.
As what? When did that one start? Huh? I should go to INEC, get a voter's card, do election. If I'm selected, then I'll tell you that I'm coming to the Senate. Mukem, please, I don't have time to explain all that. What I need now is Ofa Odioko and the white rice.
Just imagine, I am telling you that what you did is wrong. Gani Ukwoku, Ofa and white rice. And I'm aware that what you did is wrong. Ine Ukwoku, white rice and Ofa.
Do I blame you? Where Why is that your wife? Because I know that she practically did not want to greet me. She's hiding from me, Obria.
Mama, my wife is not at home. She is still in church.
I don't understand. She went to church and you did not?
Mama, I went to church, but it's just that they made an announcement that the women should stay back for a brief meeting. So Lucia stayed back.
Hey! For what? Why would Lucia stay back when she's not yet a woman?
Mama, what do you mean by that?
Of course you know what I am talking about. She is not yet a mother. So why would she stay back for women meeting? As in the mama. What will she answer? Augustine also. All of us know that she is barren. She's unable to give you children. What are the miscarriage?
Mama, quick for her. I'm not going to hear me this time around. You see what you just came here to do? I will not take it from you this time around. You did not tell me that you were coming. And now you come here to tell me rubbish and insult my wife in front of me? Mama, I will not take it.
You will take it! You will take it! You can condone all excesses from a woman who cannot give you a child. May I one of no miscarriage. But your own mother fed you, nurtured you from infancy to a man. You cannot condone any excesses. Okay, we go to the kitchen. Start condoning the excesses. When I'm finished eating, I will tell you.
What has she done? What is her crime? Nobody deserves this. Nobody deserves this. Nobody deserves to be treated this way. Nobody can take this. Nobody can take this. Nobody can take this and lie away.
Madam, good afternoon.
Please get the bag from behind the seats.
Okay, madam. Okay, mama. You come house today.
Oh. Where is she?
I there for my house for you. I there for my house with Oga. Okay.
Nobody deserves this. Nobody deserves this. Nobody deserves to be treated this way. Nobody can take this. Nobody can take this. Nobody can take this and lie away.
Good afternoon, Mama. Mama, you're eating in the living room. We have a place where you can eat, the dining table. Mama, imagine if I had walked in here with an important guest. It won't have been a good sight.
An important guest. A guest who is more important than me. What? Well, this is my son's house. So I can eat wherever I am fit.
Mama, please. This is the living room. We don't eat here.
Now, Con. Well, that's besides the point. You went to the church since morning. And you're just coming back now.
Something came up.
Something came up. I heard that you stayed back for women's meeting in the church. Why? I want to know when you are yet to become a mother. So why would you stay back for women's meeting? As in the mama. No, I want to know. You can't even conceive ectopic pregnancy. And you stayed back for women's meeting in the church. Mary Sombre.
Honey, I'm home.
I'm here. I'm home. Go and marry him. Give up. Only without child. I'm a mom. Come and stand here and ask me, why am I eating here? When I was paying my son's school fees, did I see you? You want to enjoy his money. This is not what I want to eat. Eh? I was thinking she will cook for apple. Apple with white rice.
No, she don't deserve to be treated this way.
Hey, how are you? How's the meeting?
I saw Mama downstairs eating, and she had the whole place littered with food.
You know, the thing that I told her to move to the dining to eat, but she called me bluff.
Really? Did you serve her yourself?
No, I did not. You needed to have seen the way she even came into the house. She startled me.
I don't understand.
Well, Mama just barged into the house and said she was hungry. I told her that you were not around, that you stayed back for the women's meeting. But she just ignored me and went into the kitchen straight. She served herself food and started eating.
Your mother went into my kitchen, opened my pot of food and served herself. Why? Your mother is looking for my trouble.
Babe, I'm very sorry. I know it's wrong.
Do you know what she said to me downstairs?
What?
That I am coming back from women's meeting. And that women's meeting are just for mothers. That I am not a mother. But she rub it on my face every time.
I'm sorry, babe. I'm really sorry. My mother can be overbearing. I know. But please, I am apologizing on her behalf. I'm sorry. Sorry, okay? Babe, just give me a minute. I'll join you soon, alright?
Okay.
Mama, I will not have you come into my house and cause my wife so much pain. Okay, open up, pack your things and go.
Woman rapper. Achazona, you have suddenly turned into a woman rapper. Then, whoa, go and rap her. Go and rap her.
What has she done to you? What has this lovely lady done to you? What crime has she committed against you?
A huge crime. Very huge one. She has refused to give me a grandchild. Is it too much to ask for? Just one?
Man, she's not God. I am not God. You are not God.
Then she should go to God's house.
So the reason you are doing this is because she has not conceived. That's the reason you are being cruel to her?
Yes, because she is barren. Chazana, all your younger siblings you got married before them, they all have children.
Mama, I am someone's child as well, and the way you're treating me, it's not fair.
Then give me grandchild. You deserve more than this. Barren witch. You deserve more than what I'm doing to you. Is it too much to ask for a child? Give me one child. Oh, fool. Is it too much to ask for? Eh? barren witch.
Mama, you see what you're doing?
What am I doing?
Mama, you see what you're doing?
What am I doing?
This woman has not done anything to you.
She's a barren witch.
This woman has not done.
She has to go. Mama. You. Mama. In Achakokwa. In Nago. Going. Gone. Get the bazaar. They're gonna.
Pain in her heart. She never bears no grudge. She's ready to love whenever, however.
Go inside and grab her well. I'm not put your no gold.
She's ready
you do to play as I'm Tell me why you will be rapping a woman like that. Honey, 1 month, 2 months, a year, 2 years.
Are you not supposed to be in your husband's house?
Leave Amanda out of this. She is not your problem. She is not the cause of your misfortune.
Mama, it's okay. Mama, it's okay.
Why are you mamaing me? You get into women. Pick up. Stop.
What has she done?
So this is what.
What is her crime?
This is what you are doing. Time after time, I keep wondering if you are truly my mother. Because if I am a man, sometimes I think, how can a mother be this wicked? Think about it. How can a mother be this wicked? Imagine if this girl was your own daughter.
God forbid! Lucia can never be my daughter.
For real?
Lucia Wanyaga, my own daughter. For what? Abumaga! Abumaga! I reject you! I reject you 7 times. Amen. I reject you in my 7 words to come. Amen. I reject you, Manalo Manife. Amen. You can never be my daughter. Never. You will not eat this food. Never. This food.
Mama.
You will not eat it.
Go and mark my words today. Go and mark my words today. You will regret it.
I reject that regret.
You will eat your words.
I will not eat any word.
You will eat your words.
My word is my bond. She can never be my daughter. Never. I regret it. Never. Barren woman.
Amanda, you called me barren.
Are you not a barren woman?
You opened your mouth to call me barren after all I have done for you.
What did you do for me? Yes.
Suddenly, memory lost.
You are ever disappointed. 'Cause she's got a good heart.
Who has this number? Police officer. What are you doing at the police station? You were arrested. What did you do? What are you even saying, Amanda? You were dating an armed robber and you don't know? What is this guy's name? Clemson. Wait, the same Clemson that you were arrested with the last time, the Yahoo boy. He's also an armed robber. Wait, Amanda, are you sure you are not a member of his gang? Okay. Have you called your brother? Which police station are you detained in?
The face behind the mask.
Ingrate. That is what you are. You suddenly turn around to bite the same finger that fed you, Amanda. No problem. I don't blame you.
Amanda. Wait too. You've been arrested twice by the police.
Hey, I can't believe this. So you went to bail this idiot from the police detention twice.
Maybe
And you did not tell me.
I thought I was doing it for someone that is reasonable.
This more reasonable.
Not knowing I was doing it for an ungrateful human being.
Very ungrateful.
Even you, Mama, don't look at me. After all I did for you, have you forgotten? Huh?
What did you do for me? Oh, is it the gifts you were showering on me then? Oh, because of that you want me to sit and fold my arms? Watch my son die childless.
Baby, I don't even know what I did to deserve all these insults from your family. The only thing I did was come down here to set dinner for us. On reaching here, I saw that Mama set the table. I moved it aside and placed your food exactly where it's supposed to be. That is my only offense.
Why would you push my own food aside? On what ground did you do it?
Mama, please, I am talking to my husband. Allow me finish.
I am talking to my son too.
Baby, like I was saying, we were still on it. Mama insisting that her food has to be where it was, and Amanda came in. Had the guts to touch my food and started calling me names. And of course I slapped her to reset her stupid brains.
Very good.
Really?
I am fine, except for my mother-in-law and my sister-in-law, who has decided to make my life living hell in my home.
I have even decided to leave. To leave?
Yes.
You can't tell me you want to leave your house because of those two. I mean...
Sis, I have been going through so much in the hands of those women. The names they call me, all sort of horrible names like Barry Witch, Mommy Water Possessed, all sort of names.
What? So what have your husband been saying about it? What has he been doing?
My husband is by my side. I mean, he's very supportive. He tries to talk to them. Yes, he does. But each time he talks to them, they go right back and do even worse. It feels like he's pouring water on stone. They even threaten to throw me out of my home.
Throw you out of your own house? A house you built with your own money, your own sweat. They want to throw you out. Are they mad? No, don't even tell me those two are in this house.
They are.
In this house.
They came yesterday with their trouble.
As we speak. Sis, I keep telling you, you're too calm. You're too soft, and I don't like it. Those two people are threatening you in your own house. And here you are seated. They're in this house. Like they're in this house. Yeah, hold on. No, I don't listen. They come